Today our topic is why hard work beats talent every time. Let me tell you something important. Talent is a gift, but hard work is a choice. Many people think that if you are born talented, you will succeed easily. But this is not true. Talent can give you a good start, but it is not enough to keep you going. Hard work is what makes the real difference. Think about it. Talent is like a seed. If you plant it but never water it, it will not grow. Hard work is the water that helps the seed grow into a strong tree. Without hard work, even the most talented person will fail. Let me explain why hard work is more important than talent. First, hard work builds discipline. Discipline is the ability to do what you need to do even when you don't feel like doing it. Talent alone cannot give you discipline. You may be good at something, but if you are lazy, you will not improve. Hard work teaches you to show up every day, even on the days when you are tired or bored. It teaches you to push through the difficult moments. This is why hard workers often achieve more than talented people. They don't wait for inspiration or motivation. They create their own success by working hard every day. Second, hard work builds resilience. Resilience is the ability to keep going even when things are hard. Life is full of challenges. No matter how talented you are, you will face problems. Maybe you will fail an exam, lose a job, or get rejected. Talent cannot help you in these moments, but hard work can. When you are used to working hard, you learn how to handle failure. You learn that failure is not the end. It is just a step on the way to success. Hard workers know that every failure is a lesson. They use these lessons to improve and try again. This is why hard work beats talent. Talent may help you start strong, but hard work helps you finish strong. Third, hard work creates opportunities. Many talented people waste their potential because they rely too much on their talent. They think they don't need to work hard because they are already good. But the world is full of talented people who never achieve anything. Why? Because they don't take action. They don't work hard to create opportunities for themselves. On the other hand, hard workers are always looking for ways to improve. They are not afraid to try new things or take risks. They know that success is not given, it is earned. This is why hard workers often find success, even if they are not the most talented. They create their own opportunities by working hard and staying focused. Now, let me tell you a story to explain this better. There was once a boy who loved to play basketball. He was not very tall or fast, but he loved the game. Every day he practiced for hours. He shot baskets, ran drills, and worked on his skills. His friends were more talented than him. They were taller, faster, and stronger. But they didn't practice as much as he did. They thought their talent was enough. Years later, the boy became a professional basketball player. His friends who were more talented never made it to the professional level. Why? Because the boy worked harder. He didn't rely on talent. He relied on hard work. This story shows us that hard work beats talent every time. Talent may give you an advantage, but hard work gives you results. Let's talk about another important point: consistency. Hard work is not about working hard once or twice. It is about working hard every day. Consistency is the key to success. Many people start working hard, but they give up too soon. They expect quick results, and when they don't see them, they lose hope. But success takes time. It is like planting a tree. You cannot plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. You need to water the seed every day, even if you don't see any growth. Hard work is the same. You need to keep working, even if you don't see immediate results. This is why hard work beats talent. Talent may help you start fast, but consistency helps you go far. Another reason why hard work is important is that it builds character. Talent is something you are born with, But character is something you build. Hard work teaches you values like patience, humility, and perseverance. When you work hard, you learn to respect the process. You learn that success is not just about being the best. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. Hard workers are often more humble because they know how much effort it takes to achieve something. They don't take their success for granted. They know that it is the result of their hard work. This is why hard work is more valuable than talent. It not only helps you achieve success, but it also makes you a better person. Now, let's talk about the role of failure. Many people are afraid of failure. They think that if they fail, it means they are not good enough. But this is not true. Failure is a part of life. Everyone fails at some point. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is how they handle failure. Hard workers are not afraid of failure. They see it as a chance to learn and grow. They know that every failure brings them closer to success. Talent, on the other hand, can make people afraid of failure. Talented people often think they need to be perfect. They are afraid to try new things because they don't want to fail. But this fear holds them back. Hard workers, on the other hand, are not afraid to fail. They know that failure is just a step on the way to success. This is why hard work beats talent. It helps you overcome the fear of failure and keep moving forward. Let me give you another example. Imagine two people who want to become musicians. One is very talented. He can play the guitar perfectly without much practice. The other is not very talented, but he loves music. He practices every day even though it is hard for him. At first, the talented musician is better, but over time, the hard worker improves. He learns new skills and becomes more confident. The talented musician, on the other hand, doesn't improve much because he doesn't practice. In the end, the hard worker becomes a better musician. Why? Because hard work beats talent. Talent may give you a head start, but hard work helps you finish the race. Now, let's talk about passion. Hard work is easier when you are passionate about what you do. Passion gives you the energy to keep going, even when things are hard. But passion alone is not enough. You also need hard work. Many people are passionate about something, but they don't work hard to achieve it. They think that their passion will be enough. But passion without hard work is like a car without fuel. It won't take you anywhere. Hard work is what turns your passion into success. This is why hard work beats talent. It helps you turn your dreams into reality. Finally, let's talk about the importance of mindset. Hard work is not just about physical effort. It is also about your mindset. Successful people have a growth mindset. They believe that they can improve through hard work and effort. They don't believe that talent is everything. They know that they can achieve anything if they work hard enough. This mindset is what makes the difference. Talent may give you a head start, but a growth mindset helps you keep going. It helps you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. This is why hard work beats talent. It helps you develop a mindset that leads to success. In conclusion, hard work beats talent every time. Talent is a gift, but hard work is a choice. Hard work builds discipline, resilience, and character. It helps you create opportunities and overcome failure. It teaches you the value of consistency and the importance of a growth mindset. So, if you want to achieve success, don't rely on talent. Rely on hard work. Remember, success is not about being the best. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. And that is something you can achieve through hard work. So, start working hard today. Don't wait for talent to save you. Save yourself through hard work.